Hello everyone, it's Saturday, 16th October, and the time right now is 5:50 p.m. and the temperature is 19 degrees Celsius. Yes, after a long time I'm doing my walking vlog today. And I just start my walk from the Poppy Plaza. It's just right beside the Kensington, Calgary. Look at the beautiful fall colors in Calgary. I don't expect that this fall color stays that long, and there is no snow at all. But it's a good thing that we don't have snow yet, and pretty good weather still. Last year we have a lot of snow in October. Hope you guys are doing very well, and thank you so much for all of your love and all the text messages in my Instagram, so I can explain you guys how much I'm happy to saw your all the messages that you guys are waiting for my videos. You guys are missing my voice. So sweet, that's so sweet, and it's really inspired me a lot. So this place is very cool, and you can spend your evening here. And that side is the Kensington side. And today walk is especially for the fall colors. So I want to show you guys the fall colors of Calgary. Even though it's pretty late, but still I can see a lot of yellow leaves. And I'm going towards Peace Breeze, Calgary. So this walk is very famous and very popular because it's the riverside walk, and you can see the downtown view from here, and the other side is the Calgary Kensington. Let me know in the comment box that how is your days going on, and did you guys miss me a lot or no? Wow, it's so pretty, all those colors. I heard that last 2 weeks was very cold, and today is a very sunny and warm white weather. That's why people are outside walking, cycling, and many more activities is going on around the city. It's a bridge. I don't know the name of the bridge. I think it's the Memorial Drive Bridge. Actually, the lower one is for walking and the upper one is for the sea train. Going under the bridge, and this road is for the cycle too. I think I did one walk in the summertime from the Poppy Plaza. Wow, look at the view. There is not that much leaf, but still it looks so golden. Wow. Is very pretty because of the sunlight. The trees are looking very yellow. Oh, one more thing, it's a very big traffic because there is a movie shooting is going on the Memorial Drive Bridge, right beside the Reconciliation Bridge. I saw a lot of old car stayed on the top of the bridge because of the movie shooting. That's why the bridge is closed and there is a lot of traffic. That's why. This time is very different weather color from the other time. So this one is the Memorial Drive. So you can see here the Kensington. And my left hand side is the 9th Street Northwest. Wow, look at those colors. It's so pretty. And if you like my blog, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new video updates. I'm almost at the Peace Breeze, Calgary. And I'm gonna cross the breeze. Wow, just look at the color, guys. It's so pretty. Let's check the view from the breeze, and it's, oh my god, it's so pretty. And I'm going to show you guys, someone is fishing here. She's taking picture for her parents. She's so cute. Wow, there is a wedding photo shoot is going on. If you come to Peace Breeze, you can find something very interesting every single day. There is concert going on, some open music going on.
You a song about two girls that Styles decided to steal this song. When he sang it, he wore a dress. I'm not wearing a dress today.
Very nice. It feels me so good. The environment is awesome. awesome.
I got a good one. I hate to admit it, but I got a hot rod. Hey, slow down. Down in Rio. I want everything she had. That smile at midnight. That she gives me. I want to take it to you. Yes, it feels like I want to drown myself in a bottle of her sweet perfume. I want it long, blonde hair, want the magic touch. Yes, it's been there. You want me just much. I got a good crush. I got a girl crush. I don't get no sleep. I don't get no peace. Thinking about her underneath your bedsheet. The way she's whispering, the way she's pulling. Lord knows I cry. I can't get her off my mind. I want to taste her. Yes, it tastes like you.
It seems like it's fire on the tree. There is another interesting work is going on.
I got a good I got a girl.
Thank you guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day.